Frustrated by the Microsoft User Interface XAML module DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. As we get into the manual process for Microsoft User Interface XAML module, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Microsoft User Interface XAML module, the primary rendering engine for modern XAML-based user interfaces, WinUI 3. It handles the drawing of buttons and localized animation frames for Windows 11 system apps. Corruption prevents system settings from opening, typically resulting in a silent application hang when clicking the settings icon. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Microsoft UI XAML is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Microsoft User Interface XAML module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double check your inputs. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Microsoft User Interface XAML module DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Microsoft User Interface XAML module dependencies. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Microsoft User Interface XAML module, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.